Hello, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a brand new video. And this week on the Magic Roundabout we've got another corgi. This is a small one, nice looking one. It's a lancia lancia. That's good, I can't pronounce it. Oh my god, here you go, look, read it yourself. Lancia fulvia sports zagato. Alright, that's what we're going to be playing with this week. Okay, so as you have a quick look at this going round, checking out the play worn damage on it, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers and welcome back my old subscribers. Thanks very much one and all for tuning in and watching my videos. It's very much appreciated. Okay, here we go. Let's get it off the Magic Roundabout and get it on the bench and we'll have a look at it. Here we are then. There you go, let me read it again. Lancia fulvia sport zagato. It's a mouthful, isn't it? Okay, this one, opening doors. Yeah. And what I like about this one, it's got a side opening bonnet. Pretty cool, isn't it? Funky. Got the interior. Seats go forward. Obviously, it's only a two-door. Got orange headlights, which aren't too badly scuffed. Chrome is off the front though, that's all gone. The back, I think that was, yeah, that's been chrome. It looks like they've been overpainted actually. These came in 2 or 3 colours. This is metallic blue. I think there was an orange one with a black bonnet and a yellow one with a black bonnet. They've got the narrow tyres on them. There, you can see that. See that? Got a narrow corgi tyres on them. And some nice rims. The back doesn't open. The glass seems to be in good condition. Bit of overpaint on it, but nothing we can't handle. So, right. The rivets, one on front and back, they're smooth. Oh, there's a little tiny pinhole in that one. And that one's way off centre, so we're going to see if we can get the centre punch on that and sort that out. And there you go. So this looks like that's the colour, a metallic blue. So I'm going to see if I can find one that'll match that near enough. Okay, right, I'll get it apart and we'll have a look at it. Right, let's see what we got then. Let's have a look. Split that. I don't know how the bonnet's fixed on this, so I have to be careful so we don't it's always good fun when you open one of these new ones that you've not done before, because you don't know what you're going to come up against. Oh, I see, suspension unit. I see, right, okay. That's a base plate. Nothing unusual about that. Where's that gone? Oh, it's rolled behind the camera. That's that. Chuck that in there. Chuck that in there. Now obviously we've got the old plastic suspension. So that's obviously the front. That's good. They're not broken off. And these, what's that? The back suspension is we incorporate in the back bumper. You see that? Look. There it is there. So that's good. That's different. Anyway, so let's have a look what comes off. Interior, back bumper, I would say, yeah. We'll get the back bumper off first. Looking at it. Be careful here, I don't dislodge anything I didn't want to dislodge. Yeah, just ease that up. So that's your back bumper with your suspension legs on. We'll re-chrome that. Then we can pull out the interior. Bit mucky. We give that a clean. And then what's next? Very carefully looking at this, don't dislodge much. And get that out. Just remember where that goes. That's it. So you have a look before you start ripping into it. This obviously sits in there, so you can take that out. That fits in that groove. We cleaned. Engine can come out, which incorporates the front bumpers, and the bonnet just dropped out. But that's not rocket science, is it? It hooks in there weirdly. It hooks in there somehow. Well, we'll have a look at that in a minute. Put that over there. Dashboard and steering wheel. I'll lift that up. Might as well open the door to get that out actually. I'm not saying it will, but yeah. So you can open the doors to pull that out. Then the steering wheel comes out anyway. So that's that. The doors. Interesting. See how to get these out. Oh yeah. So your doors, you pull them down like that, and you can take them out. So you're going back in, then like that. So open them slightly, let them drop. So you get that. Open the doors, let it drop slightly, and then pull it out. Okay. Same with this side. Let them drop like that, and then pull them out. Windscreen should come out, no problem, because that's not got a rivet in. Excellent. That's that. So what's left? A lot of old chrome debris. These headlights. Not sure about these. They look weirdly tricky to get out, I think. They look strangely like they've got pins in. Oh, that's breaking away. Oh, careful of that. Look at that. Be careful of that one. It's snapping off. Very brittle, that one. Get that one that's hanging out. So if you can see, there's like a little piece on top which you're supposed to squeeze in, but it's that brittle. It's not coming out. It's not playing ball. No, it's coming out. What's happening here? There you go. The old front bumper's coming off now. So I'll try and just lever it gently. There you go. Well, the back's broke off that, unfortunately. So I think what's going to happen there, we'll re-chrome this, and then we're going to have to glue all that back in. Yeah, the back snapped off that. So there. Anyway, there we go. That's it. Body shell, base. Right, we'll get these stripped. The other parts in there will get cleaned up, and we'll be on our way. We've got all our parts painted in the metallic blue. the base, the same colour. That's the body. So we're all painted, doors and everything else. Engine's had a re-chrome. I was going to detail that, but I need some better brushes for detailing that. I need new ones. I did get one, but I'm not happy with it, so I need to get some more. So when I get some more brushes, I'll do that at a later date. It's not important. Right, so we've got to do now, everything's all cleaned up. That's the interior's cleaned up nice, look. That's all cleaned up. So I think all we've got to do now is get ready for assembly. Put some tyres on and get all the bits together, and we'll get it assembled. Okay then, it's assembly time. I'll put the front grille in because that was a bit tricky, that, because I had that broken light back in. So I'll put that in. Details, indicator light, bit of chrome Z on the side, same there, same there. Tail lights, number plate. I just got to brighten up the tail lights when I finished. Just give them a second coat. But yeah, they're in. Like I said before, I'll do the engine detail another day, because there's a nice detail in there and I'll make a nice job of that. Well, so we're basically there. The wheels are all smartened up, new tyres on. So let's get this back together again. I'm trying to think how to do this now. Let's move that out of the way. Windscreen in first. So this goes outside. And in the back, like that, clicks in like that. So it's on the outer rim there. Okay. So that's in first. I think it's the engine and front bumper. We'll drop that in first. And then the bonnet, we can just clip that bonnet loosely underneath there. So it fits in like that, loose. It is loose and you've got to keep hold of it. But it does come good in the end. It's just a bit tricky to hold that at the same time as everything else. So hold it loosely. What was next? Steering column. The steering dashboard. That clicks over that pin there. Over there. Doors. Like I said before, get the doors, hook them up. That's all I meant. This is where you need 10 pairs of hands. So like I said before, in reverse, hook the door over, drop it in. Now at this point, I've got my finger underneath the bonnet, I've got my fingers on the doors. Right, now this piece holds the doors retaining. Plastic goes in that groove and that groove. Like so. So they're in. Can't remember whether this was on next, I think. Or was it the interior? No, interior next. So drop that in. That just fits in. That's all getting a bit airy-fairy now. Then your back suspension. Make sure you get your override as the highest part at the top. Clicker over there, and that should be about right. Axles. Back. Front. Right, that should be all square, ready to go. Base plate. This is where it gets a bit tricky. Making sure you're clicking it in places. Looks all right at the back there. Right. Glass is all right. Doors open and close. Bonnet opens. So there we go. Got to do now. I'm just going to pop the rivets in. Okay, and then I'll touch up these back tail lights, and then we'll get it on the magic roundabout. So we'll see you in a minute. This is what we started with. Corgi Toys Lancia Volva. Chipped up and play worn. So let's have a look, see how it ended up. Okay then, this is what we ended up with. Corgi Toys Lancia Fulvia Zagato Sport. It's a mouthful, isn't it? Yeah, completely stripped and repainted. Got some details on it. Put some number plates on the front, private plates, top 40H. Everything's re-chromed. Door handles, new tyres, side indicators, logo on the side. Polished wheels. Round the back. Got the indicator lights, brake lights and lancia written on the back of there. Yeah, nice little bit of kit this. I haven't seen many of these for sale actually. So there we have it. Just close up the old doors. There you go. Lancia Fulvia Zagato Sport by Corgi. Nice shine on it, look. There you go. Right. Another one done. Well, onwards and upwards, and I'll see you next week with a brand new video. Best wishes. Take care. We'll see you later.